press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, so let us continue with the exercise 12.3. Now 10th one, the area of an equilateral triangle ABC is 17,320.5 centimeter square. With each vertex of a triangle as a center, a circle is drawn with the radius equal to half the length of the side of the triangle. Find the area of the shaded region. And they have given you to use phi is equal to 3.14 and root 3 is equal to 1.73205. Okay, is it clear? The question is clear and the diagram is drawn for you. See, ABC is an equilateral triangle and the three circles are drawn by taking half of the side, that is the radius will be half of this equilateral, that is the side of the equilateral triangle. Okay. So now how can we find out the area of the shaded region? Area of the shaded region, that is in the middle. So how can we do it? So since it is an equilateral triangle, so you know how to find out the area of the equilateral triangle. So first let us write what is given. Area of the equilateral triangle is how much they have given, that is 17,320.5 centimeter square. So let us write that. Or first area of shaded region. So how to find out the shaded region, area of a shaded region? So it is clear here. Area of the shaded region means this one. So area of the equilateral triangle ABC minus area of three sectors. I hope you understood this. Three sectors. See, because see, this is a sector. See here, three sector. If I subtract this, then I can get the area of the shaded region from the equilateral triangle. If I subtract this part and this part. Okay, I hope you can imagine it. Now, area of the shaded region is equal to area of equilateral triangle ABC minus area of three sectors. Okay, first let me write this first step, that is area of the shaded region is equal to area of the triangle minus area of three sectors. Now let us find out, try to find out each and every one. Here they have given the area of the equilateral triangle for you. See, area of the equilateral triangle of ABC, that is 17,320.5 centimeter square. Okay, so you need not worry about this. Then how will you find out the area of three sectors? Okay, one sector into 3. Okay, area of one sector into 3. But when you want to find out the area of the sector, what is important? See, area of the sector, when you want to find out the area of the sector, you all know the formula, theta by 360 into pi r square. So the unknown is theta and r. Is it clear? So unknown is theta and r. Okay. Now theta we know because it is, since it is equilateral triangle, we can take it as 60 degree. Theta is 60 degree. Okay, no doubt. Okay, because they have mentioned ABC is an equilateral triangle. Okay, next, how about r then? How to find out r? So there the problem lies. So since they have not given the radius of the circles, they are equal circles, but they are not given the radius of the circle. Then how to calculate the radius of the circle? See, you all know this, suppose here if I mention D, so BD is the radius of a circle, correct? BD is the radius of a circle. So they have mentioned in the question that this is the side of the triangle BC. BC is the side of the triangle, correct? And the radius is half of the length of BC. That also they have mentioned there. So I need to find out BC, that is length of the sides of a triangle. So, I need to find out the sides of a triangle. So, when you want to find out the sides of a triangle, then we have to use, see the data given there, area of the triangle is given, by using that you have to find out the sides of the triangle. See, once you find out the sides of the triangle, then they have given half the length of the side. Suppose I am giving example, if I get BC as 12 centimeter. So, BC as 12 centimeter, listen carefully, if I get BC 12 centimeter, then what about BD? BD will be the radius of a circle, correct? So, BD will be equal to 6 centimeter. I hope you understood. I am just giving one example. Suppose if I get BC, side BC is 12 centimeter, then they have mentioned in the question that the half, the circle is drawn by using the radius is equal to half the length of the side of a triangle. So, read the question carefully. Once again you read, you will try to understand, then it is easy, okay. Now, if it is 12 centimeter, then this will be 6 centimeter. If suppose if I get 6 centimeter, this one length, then 3 centimeter radius, okay. So, now what is the next step then? Next step, I have to find out the sides of a triangle BC, okay. So, since it is equilateral triangle, AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. So, how to find out the sides of the side of the triangle now? So, by using area of equilateral triangle ABC. So, you all know root 3 by 4 into A square. You all know this formula. You are familiar with this formula, correct? Now, the area we know, root 3 by 4 is constant, A square. A is what? Nothing, it is nothing but the side of the equilateral triangle. So, if you find out A, then you will get the length of the BC, correct? So, let us try to do this. So, what is the area? That is 17,320, correct? 17,320.5. 17,320.5 area, root 3 by 4 into A square. Okay, root 3 they have given the value there, they have given the value that is 1.73205, 1.73205 divided by 4 and A square will be there. So, to make it easy, what I will do, I will just divide this by 10, okay, point, to remove the point, and here also divide by how many 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, okay, into A square. I hope you understood the procedure, okay. Now, see here, 17,000, see here 1,73,205, here also 1,73,2005. So, I can cancel it. So, you will get A square, correct? But 4 is there, no, here, divide into 4, correct. Understood this 4. This to remove the point, decimal point, I have divided by this number and here also, okay. Now, you try to solve it. So, finally, what remains? Just see, this get cancelled, 1 0 and 1 0 gets cancelled, giving you here A square by 4 into 4 zeros, okay. Now, A square is equal to 4 zeros, correct. So, just see how you can do A. how you will get A? A is equal to square root of, okay, so 40,000, square root of 40,000. So you all know how to do it. So square root of, plus or minus you should take. So here, since A it is a length, we can reject negative value. So it will be plus, see, plus 200. I hope you know how to find out the square root. See, there are 4 zeros. I am going to take 2 and 4, 2. Correct? Square root of 4 is 2. Correct? So this 200 centimeter is the, since they have given in centimeter, we should take A is equal to 200 centimeter. Now we got A as 200 centimeter. Now, so shall I rub this now? I hope you understood by using the formula root 3 by 4 A square, and root 3 value they have given in the question itself, that you have to use 1.73205. I have used that, divided by 4 A square, and here to remove the decimal point I have divided it by 10. To remove the decimal point here I have divided it by 10,000. No, you need tens, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 5 zeros, okay. So then into A square by 4, correct? Now this and this gets cancelled, and 1010 gets cancelled, giving you A square by 4 into 10,000, correct? So 40,000, square root of 40,000 is 200. 200 into 200 you will get 40,000, correct? So I will rub this. So we have A is equal to 200 centimeter. Now that is the side. So after writing that, please write this: side of the equilateral triangle ABC, A is equal to 200 centimeter. Therefore, radius of sector or radius of a circle is equal to, they have given in the textbook in the question, see there, radius is equal to half the length of the side of the triangle. So you write, therefore the radius of the circle is equal to half the length, equivalent of the length of side of a triangle. Okay, so therefore this will be equal to 200 by 2, that is 100 centimeter. So what is 100 centimeter then? So this radius is 100 centimeter. So R is equal to 100 centimeter. Now once you got this, I think you can find out the area of the sector, area of 3 sectors, 3 into theta by 360 pi r square, 3 into as you all know, here theta is equal to 60 degree, because you can write here equilateral triangle. So you can give the reason why you have taken 60 degree, because they have mentioned ABC is a equilateral triangle. Then 3 into 60 by 360, and I think pi they have given you have to take the value they have given in the bracket there, see 3.14, they have given you to take 3.14, so better take that, 3.14 into R, how much? 100 into 100. Okay, now if you simplify this, you will get 6 ones are 6 6 are 36. Okay, then 3 ones are 3 twos are. Okay, now you can cancel that also. You will get area of the 3 sectors. Okay, you can 2 ones are 2, then Okay, 2 zeros are 7. Correct. Now multiply, you will get the answer. Okay, either way you can do. So I won't calculate here, we'll see. 3.14. So this will be 314. Okay, 2. Divide by 2. Okay, this will be easy for you instead of calculating. See, I hope you understood. 3 into 60 by 360 into pi means value I have taken 3.14, 100 into 100. Now here when you multiply this, you all know it, you will get 31,400. Okay, point decimal point is there. I put decimal point here. So now divide by 2. 2 ones are 2, then 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, 0 0. Okay, now so 15,700, correct? 15,700, we will get the answer. 15,700 centimeter square. So this is what? This is the area of 3 sectors. I have multiplied already. Okay, you can calculate for 1 and then multiply by 3. That is also okay. Or I have taken here only. So which one I had now? Area of, finally, see, area of the shaded region. So area of the shaded region is equal to area of the equilateral triangle. They have given 173205, correct? 1732.5 minus, now we got area of the 3 sectors as 15,700. So let us find out, subtract. So find out, you will get, okay, let me do it here. 1732.5 subtract 15 point, okay, 5 0 2 7 6 1 60 1620 1620.5 centimeter square. So that is the area of the shaded region, 1620.5 centimeter square. Okay, I hope you understood. It's simple actually, only the calculation takes time, that's it. Okay, I hope you understood this. We shall move on to the next problem. Next one is a very interesting and also easy problem. See, 11th one. On a square and kerchief, 9 circular designs, each of radius 7 centimeter, are made. Find the area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief. See, the handkerchief is a square handkerchief, and inside that there are 9 what is that, 9 squares, 9 circles. Okay, now you have to find out the, after removing that remaining portion, you have to find out. So here there are how many circles here? There are 3 circles. I hope you understood this. There are 3 circles. And what is the side of the square? Side of the square, no, 9 circular design, each of radius they have given. So radius is how much? Radius of one circle is 7 centimeter. So another one 7, another one 7. So total 7 means the diameter will be 14. So this also 14 and this also 14 centimeter. I hope you understood how I calculate the side of the square. So the diagram is there in your textbook, please observe it. So this will be the side of the square, see, since they have drawn a circle like this. So 3 circles, okay. So total that will be the side. So what is the side of the circle then? So it will be 14 plus 14 plus 14. So 14 3s are 42 centimeter. Okay. Next. So we know the side. So how to find out the what is that remaining, means here the shaded part, not shaded part, actually leaving this circle. So I'll just write area of the remaining portion, the remaining area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief. So please think how to write. Is equal to, so area of a square minus area of 9 circles. Okay, area of the square minus area of 9 circles. Yes, is it correct? Area of the square, from the square, if you subtract area of 9 circles, you will get the remaining circle, remaining portion. So how to find out the area? I will write here, area of 9 circles. Now first find out the area of the square. Area of the square is equal to, how to find out? S into S or A into A, however you want you can take. Therefore, side of the square, you can draw the figure and you can represent there by drawing the circle and just show that the radius is 7 centimeter. So the diameter will be 14 centimeter. So you can draw the diagram and you can represent that. Okay. So side of the square will be 14 plus 14 plus 14. 14 3s are 42 centimeter. You can show this in a writing there, and by drawing the diagram you can show that also by representing in the diagram. So please draw the diagram. Okay. Then area of the square. Therefore, area of the square 42 into 42. Okay. Now 42 squares you can find out. 42 square. That is, find out 42 into 42. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. So 1764. Okay. Next, find out the area of one circle or area of 9 circles. So here we have the radius. So 9 into pi r square. Have they given, just see whether they have given to use 3.14 or no, just find out. they have not given, so you can use 9 into 22 by 7 r. Radius is 7 into 7. 7 7 gets cancelled. Now multiply. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14, 15. 154 into 9. 9 4s are 36. 3 9 5s are 45. 45 46 47 48. 9 1s are 9, 10 11 12 13. 1386. Correct? Area, so centimeter square. Now you come back to this. How will you do it? How to find out? Area of the remaining portion is equal to area of the square minus area of 9 circle. Therefore I will write here only area of remaining portion. Since it is not shaded, you need not write area of shaded region, because they have given area of the remaining portion. So remaining portion, area of the square is how much? 1764 minus 1386. Okay, I will do it here. I will calculate 1764 1386. 8 5 7 6 3 14 1 16 1 7, correct. 3 7 8 378 centimeter square. Okay, 378 centimeter square. So this is the area of the remaining portion. Isn't it easy? This sum is very easy. Okay, so now we shall work out the next one. Okay. Next one, 12th one. In the figure, OACD is a quadrant of a circle with center O and the radius 3.5 centimeter. If OD is equal to 2 centimeter, find the area of the first one, quadrant OACB and shaded region. Second one, shaded region. So here again 2 sub questions are there. I will draw the diagram for you. Okay, quadrant, one quadrant is there, and we'll name B, so you should find out area of the shaded region, this. Area of this region. Okay. Now we have See what is given there. OACB is a quadrant of a circle with center O and the radius 3.5 centimeter. So the radius is how much? 3.5 centimeter. And OD is how much? OD is 2 centimeter. So with this, this is, since it is a quadrant, you all know it is 90 degree. So easily you can find out the area of the sector, correct? Okay, now first question, quadrant. They have asked you to find out the area of the quadrant, okay? So let us find out. Area of a quadrant. OBCA, area of the quadrant. Quadrant, once again I am trying to recall, quadrant means you know, this one part of a circle, okay, if I divide it into 4. But here 90 degree, because they have given, it's a quadrant, so it is 90 degree, all know this, see, 90 degree, correct? So let us find out the area of the quadrant first. Is equal to pi r square divided by 4. So like okay, here fine, you can do by using the area of the sector formula, that is, see one, that also I am tell you, 360 into pi r square, okay. You can do this also, that is one method, because 90 degree and by 90 by 360 and pi r square, r you know 3.5, or you can use this quadrant, that is the whole circle, the area of the whole circle divided by 4. So any method you can adopt, whichever is convenient for you, okay. And I hope they have not given 22 by 7, yes they have not given, so we can put 22 by 7 into, so I am not doing this method, you can do this method also, r divide by 4, r is how much? Radius 3.5 into 3.5, okay. Now 22 by 7, so for convenient purpose what I will do, 35 by 10 into 35 by 10 into 1 by 4, I will do like this, 7 ones are 7, 5s are 35, then again here 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35, 2 ones are 2 11s are, so what remains, 11 into 5 into 7 divide by 4, sorry 40, 40 is there, so again we can 5 ones are 5 2s are, so 77 by 8, 77 by 4 2s are 8 centimeter square. So this is what area of the quadrant. Area of the quadrant is how much? 77 by 8 centimeter square. Area of the quadrant means this whole thing, okay, because they have asked you. They have not asked only to find out the area of the shaded region. This first sub question is to find out the area of the quadrant. So 77 by 8. So 77 by 8 I will write here so that I can rub this. Now what is the next part? Next part, area of the shaded region. How to find out the area of the shaded region? Second sub question, it is area of shaded region. Area of shaded region. Area of, okay, shaded region means area of the quadrant. Area of the quadrant minus area of triangle BOD. I hope you understood. Area of this triangle. Since it is a right angle triangle, see, quadrant, they have given quadrant, then you should know it is right angle triangle. Now, area of the, it is easy to find out. Area of the quadrant we got 77 by 8 minus area of the right angle triangle, that is half into base. What is base? That is 3.5 into 2. You can write the formula separately, you can do, then subtract. Anyway, okay, no problem. Now 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Now 3.5, correct? Okay, now 77 by 8 minus 3 means 35 by 10, to make it simple. 5 2s are 5 7s are. So this will be 77 by 8 minus 7 by 2. Now LCM, you can take LCM. 8 is the LCM. Now 77 minus 2 4s are 7 4s are 28. So you subtract, you will get the answer. 18 means 9, then 6 4, correct? 6 by 8. Check once, is it correct? 49 by 8 centimeter square. So this is the final answer. Okay, I hope you understood this. I think we are coming to the end. Another 2 problems or 3 problems are there. I'm going to continue in the next class. Thank you.